Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to purchase the Battle Pass for Black Ops 6 Season 1, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing you guys can do is you can simply just click on Battle Pass right here in the top right, or you can go into Call of Duty, go into multiplayer for example, and then you can go over to Battle Pass, and this is what I recommend because it's just easier to do in my opinion. But anyways, once you are here, all you have to do is you can go ahead and just see whatever's in the battle pass. But what's important is you want to click on this battle pass purchase required. For PC, the button is 5. I'm not sure what it is for console, but it should be on the screen. And then you can go ahead and do this is the default version, the 1100, which is $10. This is the default version. This is I guess the more expensive one, the bundle, and then this is the vault upgrade. So I think everything is included, and you have a bit extra stuff as well. I think you have stuff for zombies as well. So yeah, but this is the default version. So just click on this, and then you can go ahead and purchase it. And then yeah, that's basically it. You can go ahead and purchase $10 worth of credits, and then yeah, you guys once you're done with that, you should be good to go. And yeah, that is it for the video. That is how to purchase the Battle Pass in Black Ops 6. And thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.